Let's make something out of clay using the slab technique. First, you're going to need your stencil, 2 slab sticks, some palette paper, shiny side up, so your clay doesn't stick to the table, and a rolling pin. First, wedge your clay, make sure you get all the air bubbles out so you don't get any bubbles in your slab. Let your clay drop on the table a few times so you don't have to roll it as much before you start rolling. Make sure your rolling pin is even with the slab sticks. You're not going to hit the slab sticks for a little while, so keep making sure that you flip and turn to make your piece wide and long quite a few times before you hit the sticks. Then you want to use a rib and smooth out both sides. If you have any bubbles, make sure you fix them before you move on to the next step. Next, use your stencil to measure out how much space that you need, cut off the excess, and flip your slab over so you can rib the other side. Next, you want to take your stamp and stamp it exactly where you want it to be on your slab. For mine, I want it to be all over. Then use your tracer to cut out your slab. I touched up a few spots with my stamp after I was done. Next, you want to wedge some more clay and repeat the process. Roll out your slab, rib on both sides, stamp, and cut out with your stencil. Then I'm working on a thin slab to join my 2 larger slabs together. I wedge the clay, still using the same sticks so my slabs have the same thickness. I'm making 1 long strip for the outside and 1 for the inside. I use my stamp on both of my pieces because I want it to show on the outside. Then you're going to go ahead and join your slabs together with slip. Make sure you scratch and attach really well. I even added a coil on the inside for extra support. And repeat on the inside. Make sure that your slabs are well joined together. Spend a lot of time smoothing on this process before moving on to your final piece. Then you're going to go ahead and scratch and attach the top. Make sure the top is leather hard so that way it doesn't cave in. And that's what I made for my slab project. I can't wait to see what you make.